Let's upload our assets. We'll create a simple folder structure. Click the GraFx Media icon on the left-hand side. Then click Create Folder on the right. Give your folder a name. We'll go with Chill Services, which is the name of our campaign. Now let's open it and create 3 more folders, i.e. Lifestyle, Elements, and Logos. We're going to open the Logos folder and click Upload on the right-hand side to upload our color Chill logo, which is the one we saw on the brief. By the way, if you hover over an image and click the More Options icon, you'll be able to move the asset to a different folder, rename it, view its details, download it, or delete it. Okay, now let's go back to Chill Services and open the Elements folder. We created a safe zone with a transparent background that we picked up from the Meta Ads website. We'll upload it here. This is going to be very useful later. One more time, go back to Chill Services and open the Lifestyle folder. So this template is going to be used to advertise 4 different services, namely delivery, curbside pickups, the app, and credit card. So let's create 4 folders and upload lifestyle images in each. Alright, we're done. All 4 folders contain images that will be used to advertise different services.